Good afternoon. Here in Texas, West Texas, we're looking at a '06 Cadillac DTS door lock actuator. Um, yep, pretty new compared to the replacement part we had to do for this old junkie. Now the tricky ones about this is they have this little insert here where the door lock actuator goes in. Um, Two bolts up here. I believe it's a T8. Should be easy to take off. Just saw this. Now this thing, I finally figured out. You gotta push this in, and pretty much like it folds into there, so you can just clip it out. These were pretty bad, as you can see. I kind of messed it up. But they come with replacements. AutoZone, I believe. Yes, sir. Okay, and then first off, what I did with the T30, took out these 3 bolts, and then came and took out these. And it also, the wiring, you can't forget the wiring right here. Now the yellow one, I remember, goes up top. The blue one goes in the bottom. Another quick important tip is the child lock. I kept it right there, and it goes into here, and that's what pretty much gives it that child lock. Goes up and down. So I'm recording on my phone. It's not too easy. Oh, see it right there. Now I'm gonna lay my phone down and try to replace it for y'all real quick. Just pop it out, as you can see. Came out like butter. You look at that. Now I don't hear no rattle noise or anything. It was just making a loud clicking noise, like. Come on now. You gotta make sure these teeth align together. At least I would think. And you just pop this little thing right back in. Now I'm doing this review because, or I should say video, because most of the videos on YouTube are Cadillac CTS, not DTS, which throws me off. As you can see, it looks in place. Now with the T8, these little bits, I took them off by hand, as in not, but I believe they're like hand tied or whatever. I don't understand this one, and this one ain't going in. It's probably like re-threading them. So let me get out my weirdest thing. Cause I could take you there. Yeah, most definitely. It's like re-threading now. This is my first time doing a video. I've been working on my car so much. I've been working on my car so much, and it's not too many videos of a DTS. Okay, as you see, you got the 2 little screws on there. Should be ready to go. I am gonna replace these little secure locks because I messed this one up. All right, I'm sitting on them. Little baggy. All I need is 2. Grazie. Now, one goes here, and the other one goes up here. Brand new, baby. Normally I'd say clean the part, but since I'm in a rush, I'll make sure this is working. Now it's easy to insert it through here. I think best bets is to put the wiring first. As I can take you there. Because my problem was taking out the wiring and this top yellow one. No. Give me a hard time. Just take it out. Show you better, a little better. Okay, they're both secured. Okay, and then that I remember this door handle